Trim. Trim lets you remove unwanted parts of an object. First, select the cutting object, then click on the parts you want to trim off. It's super useful for cleaning up intersecting lines and organizing your drawing. Split. Split divides an object into separate pieces. You pick the object, then choose a cutting line or path, and the object is split into parts. Nothing is deleted. It just separates the shape for more detailed editing. Join. Join connects separate lines or curves into one single object. Select all the pieces and run. Join, they'll become one. It's especially useful before turning your design into 3D models. Sometimes you want to organize a few objects and treat them as one. That's where the group command helps. Group? When you select a few objects and group them, they become a single unit. Any changes like move, rotate, or scale will only affect that group, not the rest of your model. This is super useful because you can group just part of your design and leave the rest untouched. Ungroup, to break the group apart. Just select it and use the ungroup command. Now the objects go back to being individual and can be edited separately. Group and ungroup help you stay organized and work more efficiently, especially with complex designs. Move. This tool lets you move an object from one point to another. Just select the object, use the move command, pick a start point, and then drag it to the destination. Rotate. Rotate turns your object around a specific point. After selecting the object and running rotate, choose a center point, then define the angle to rotate. Mirror. Mirror creates a flipped version of your object. You just need to define a mirror line, and it will generate a symmetrical copy based on that axis. Duplicate. If you want to make multiple copies of an object, use the duplicate tool. You can place the copies right next to the original or space them out. Perfect for repeating patterns or forms. video, I'm going to quickly and simply introduce the Gumball tool. When you select an object, Gumball shows up as a 3-axis widget that lets you easily move, rotate, or scale the object. 1. Moving with the arrows. There are colored arrows on each axis X, Y, Z. The red arrow moves the object along the X-axis. The green arrow moves it along the Y-axis. The blue arrow moves it along the Z. Just click and drag any arrow to move the object in that direction. Two, scaling with the squares. There's a small square on each axis. Dragging these squares will scale the object in just one direction. The red square scales along the X, the green square along the Y-axis, and the blue square along the Z. If you want to scale the object in all directions at once, you can drag the white center box of the Gumball. 3. Rotating with the circles. Around the Gumball, there are 3 colored circles used for rotation. The red circle rotates the object around the X, the green circle around the Y-axis, and the blue circle around the Z. Click and drag the circle you want to use, and the object will rotate only on that axis.